Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a Yelp business account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and download the Yelp business app. Head over to your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the search bar and type in Yelp. And then once it loads, what you need to do is tap on the app to simply download the app. You'll get a get button or install button according to your device. Once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is go back and then open up your Yelp business app. Now simply tap on Yelp business app, and now once you open it, what you need to do in order to successfully create a Yelp business account is to add your business name and its location. So what you need to do is tap on add location and then search for the location of your business, and then once you do that, what you need to do is add your business. If your business isn't listed, fill out the necessary information like business name, address, phone number, website, categories your business falls into, hours of operation, and then submit the form. Now once that's done, Yelp will send a verification code to the phone number associated with the business or via email. Enter the verification code to confirm ownership, and once your account is set up, you will be logged into Yelp business account, and you can add additional details to your profile such as photos of your business, a detailed description of your services, special offers or announcements, and business logo. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.